Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is equipped with a side entry. It's a diverge conversion, so if you wanted to enter this vehicle, say, from your power chair or scooter, you could roll up here, a little black toggle switch right here. I push that down, so you could actually put it down here, and it's got that extra long ramp that lowers the level, the incline here, makes it easy to get in. 30-inch wide ramp, 52.5 inches room coming inside the van, then you get a 57 inches of room once you're inside the van. It's got this nice kind of hard plastic floor that's easy to keep clean. Your back seats, those are leather seats, and those will actually fold down. So if you're going to do any traveling or something like that, you want some extra room for your luggage, that gives you that option. They've got the firewall over here. I like this. This is a safety feature. If your chair rolls over here, or you're rolling a friend or family member over, they can't roll out of the van on this side and hurt themselves. I've seen some pretty bad accidents happen that way. So, got upgraded tie downs in here. Quick release, easy to use. Got your shoulder harness, and we've got the nice center console there. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera. The dash here is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. And then you can also operate all the power doors from the inside. You can actually operate the ramp for that little black toggle switch right there as well. So I'm going to shut the driver's door. I'm going to shut the power trunk hatch back there. I'm going to step out it here, and I'm going to use the same toggle switch. Push it up. It'll fold up, and you're ready to go. So of course, you can do all this from inside the van, but I'm not done outside the van yet. So I'm going to continue here. Do a walk around of the van. It's got your tinted windows, it's got your roof rack, it's got your alloy wheels. These tires are darn near brand new Hercules tires. About how much tread's left on those, all the way around. Good matching tires on this van. As I do my walk around, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking for little dents, little scratches. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this van's perfect, but I'm trying hard. I see a little bit of touch-up paint right here, so I'm not portraying this as a perfect van. It's going to have its little normal nicks and scratches on it, but overall it's very clean, very well taken care of. And no matter who you get by from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And when I say a video of the VIN number, you'll notice a lot of people are taking my pictures. They're cutting out that yellow sign up there, and they're shrinking it out and they're making it look like they're selling the van. Folks, these people are scammers. They're scammers on Facebook Marketplace. I think about 80% of the mobility vans being sold on Facebook Marketplace are scams. You better know what you're doing. But if you were to say to that person, hey, I want you to get a video of the VIN number of the van, and I want you to say your name in the video. So for example, I'm Jeremiah Coleman, the Affordable Mobility 316 owner, and here's the VIN number of this van. I've got it right here in my possession. Well, they couldn't do that because they don't have these vans. They're just stealing pictures. Most of them probably aren't even in this country. They're on here trying to scam us. So make sure you're aware of that. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number with a person's name in it. Do not settle for any excuses why they can't get it to you. If it's too good to be true, you already know it probably is.
So I can go ahead and take her van.
So what I do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see 2 owners, no accidents or damage. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, no accident or damage. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation. Make sure you're dealing with someone honest and reputable. Check us out on eBay. Been doing this since November 2004. Geez, almost 20 years now I've been on eBay. 1,527 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. That qualifies for a good reputation, if you ask me. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Again, make sure you're not getting scammed, and then check out their reviews. It takes all of 30 seconds to do this, folks, but you can see what people are saying about them. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a private individual off Facebook or Craigslist, someone they knew nothing about. They end up with a vehicle that's actually a stolen vehicle. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles online all the time. When the police catch up to that vehicle, the buyer does not get their money back. They're out the van, they're out the money. So you better know who you're dealing with. What they end up buying from one of these dealers that's got the 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings here instead of the 4.8 like we have. So if you want to deal with, possible flood damage, you want to deal with possible, vehicles that are a big mess, major mechanical problems, salvage titles you weren't told about, you deal with those private individuals and those 1 and 2 and 3 star dealers. If you want a 5-star dealer with 5-star customer service that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this vehicle, it's got the remote start. You hit the push button twice there, it'll beep at you, van fires right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out to nice defrosted windows, heated up, ready to go in the wintertime, you've got that option. The van does come with a 1-key fob. If you want additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. Got the power driver's seat here, works great. Got the leather with the black cloth insert. It's got the nice center console there. Very good shape, good condition on the interior. And if you ever need to use these doors manually, you got the switch there. You can open that door, slides and opens shut manually, very easy to do. You got your rear air controls up there. I'll show you here in the back what I was talking about too, as far as a little extra storage space if you need it, for traveling. One of the nice features about the side entries, they do allow a little extra storage in the rear. And as I get inside the vehicle and I officially turn it on with the key here, you can see 66,506 miles. You can see all the dummy lights work. So there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. We've got the backup camera. That's a great safety feature to have. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. I'll show you the power mirrors and windows working now. We tested heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. I take them on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, I hope you can tell this by our videos. Let me even show you the back vents back there working. That we are very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection process before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north from the rust belt, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures. They assume because it's fairly new. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. I got news for you, folks. Brand new car dealerships get flooded all the time. Brand new vehicles can get a flood. I promise you, a used vehicle, even if it's low miles, can get a flood. So what I want you to do, I want you to go compare me to the competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But what I want you to ask yourself is, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and no flood damage? Do they get on their hands and knees on the ground and even bother taking detailed pictures, much less a super thorough video front and back of the undercarriage so you can see there's no water damage, there's no bent metal from an accident under here? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, and when it comes to reputation, please compare me to the competition. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody shady on the other end of the phone. Well, if you can't get a title for it, you can't register it, you can't drive it. What if you end up buying a van that's got major frame damage from an accident or a flood and won't pass inspection in your state? Well, again, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Make sure you do all 4 of these things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it on their videos, like I do every single one of mine. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a $20 ornament on the internet here. This is a big purchase. That's why we're thorough. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. I'm buying from your perspective. I'm the owner. I want to buy good, clean vehicles. Third, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And then finally, we touched on this earlier, get online, find out who you're buying from, do your due diligence, put a little effort in to find out who's on the other end of that phone or other end of the computer. You know who gets scammed, Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put in the effort, find out who you're working with. So let's get the van out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles, no problems. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. I've got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we offer the complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do also have long-term extended warranties that cover not only the components on the van, but also the conversion. So talk to me about those and how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, but they have hidden it in a fine print, or they don't tell you about it until it's time to close the deal. $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, well, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for is that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, and attempts to be 100% transparent with you. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Runs and drives wonderfully. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Call or text. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, maybe end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot of information, and it's a major purchase. So I try to, be super thorough on these videos. If you would like to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give us a call, give us a text, set up that appointment with us. We're happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most transparent and thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.